Nestled on the coast of Vietnam, where the Thu Bon River meets the East Sea, lies a town frozen in time. Hoi An, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a living museum of vibrant culture and captivating history. My wife and I recently embarked on an 8-day adventure through Vietnam, eager to experience the beauty and diversity of this incredible country. Our journey began in Da Nang, a bustling coastal city with its own unique charm. We explored the stunning beaches of Da Nang, marveled at the marble mountains, and rode the cable car to the top of Bana Hills for breathtaking panoramic views. But it was on the second leg of our trip that we stumbled upon a place that truly stole our hearts: Hoi An. Alright, so it's day 4 in Vietnam, and today we are going to this cute little town called Hoi An. Now Hoi An is roughly about 1 hour drive from Da Nang. So we'll be taking a cab to reach Hoi An. And Hoi An there is this old town which is very famous, which is a lantern town. Like you see a lot of lanterns over there. So I'm really excited to visit that place. Usually people go there for a 1-day trip, but we decided to take a 2-night stay in Hoi An. So yeah, now we'll be off to Hoi An and we'll show you some amazing, beautiful lanterns over there, hopefully. Hoi An is just a short 2 hours drive from Da Nang. Now most people just plan a day trip to Hoi An, but trust me, you need more time to soak it all in. We spent 2 nights in Hoi An and it was simply magical. So if you are planning a trip to Vietnam, do yourself a favor and spend at least a night in Hoi An, and you won't regret it. Welcome to the most charming ancient town in central Vietnam, Hoi An. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and it's known for its well-preserved architecture, vibrant culture and rich history. ये जगह अभी जितनी ज़्यादा खाली लग रही है, during evening, this is flooded with a lot of tourists, a lot of people, because there are a lot of sky lanterns which get lit at night and it looks really pretty. Now it's early in the morning and I'm a big fan of coffee, so I'm looking for a good place where I can have black coffee. And by the way, if you don't know, Vietnam is the second largest exporter of coffee in the world. So let's start the day with some kick-ass coffee. Hoi An is a home for many well-preserved traditional houses. One of them is Old Tanky House, which gives you a glimpse into the lives of wealthy merchants from 18th and 19th century. So we have just reached Tanky House. Let's go and check out the lives of these merchants.
Which is written is your heart has to be huge.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is also some
To be
god?
brought, yeah. Huh?
This is also some god? Which is here?
No. This is just a decoration.
Oh.
These are all the stories of
The ancient
perhaps
story.
the ancient story of China.
And this is the god they pray.
Yes.
What is the name of this god?
The statue is Kuan Yin.
The
Oh.
owl is this product.
Yeah. Kuan Yin. I'm not sure the goddess of mercy.
Mercy.
Goddess of mercy.
Okay.
Now Hoi An is also a good place for shopping. It seems like यहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा सस्ती शॉपिंग होती है और पता नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा कॉपी भी मिलता है यहाँ पे. So be careful a bit about that. But in general अगर आपको normal shopping करनी है, not the branded one, this is actually a good place to shop. And तुलिका जब से shopping ही करे जा रही है. But yeah, it's too hot. It's too hot today. सो गाइस Hoi An में करने के लिए तो बहुत कुछ है, बट हम लोग पिछले 2 घंटे से एक कैफ़े में बैठे हुए थे. एक्चुअली 2.5 घंटे हो गए. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 4 in the evening. It was so hot in the afternoon. Like I don't know like what has happened to the whole atmosphere around the world. बट बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी थी. हम लोग अंदर बैठे हुए थे. Right now it's almost about 4 p.m. So we've just stepped out and we'll probably go for this monkey boat ride. I don't know, like there's some boat ride which takes you to some monkey island. So we'll be heading there now, and then at night I'll show you the magical lanterns over here in Hoi An. आई थिंक ये चीज़ स्किप करी जा सकती है ना.
हाँ वो तो आगे पता चलेगा ना यार कि कैसा एक्सपीरियंस.
हो सकता है आगे जाके फन हो जाए. अभी तक तो काफ़ी नॉर्मल है.
आंटी कितनी स्ट्रांग होंगी सोच, इतनी ओल्ड एज में भी इतनी मजबूत चला रही है.
सुंदर तो है वैसे, नो डाउट. राइट.
Leaving Monkey Island behind, we found ourselves drifting back to Hoi An as the sun dipped below the horizon. It was like the whole world was holding its breath. And then the lantern, thousands of them, turning the town into a glowing wonderland. It was pure magic.
Alright guys, so it's 8 o'clock at night and now we have come out to explore the old town again. And this time you can see it's well lit, all the lanterns are lit and it really looks magical. Now this is the experience you must definitely have if you are visiting Vietnam. So let me show you this old town when it's lit with lanterns. Also a quick recommendation on food. This is the second night in Hoi An and we are back to the same place again. The name of the place is Morning Glory. There are 2 Morning Glory. One is a signature one and one is the original one. This one is signature and the food over here is crazy. Like you should definitely come here. You'll find a lot of vegan options, you'll find a lot of non-veg options, whatever you want to have. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy the food over here. Also, I think that's all from this video. I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, peace! Did
कैसा फील हो रहा है अभी?
उबले हुए अंडे जैसा फील हो रहा है इट्स लाइक
अभी तो सही लग रहा है फिर भी।
चुप हो जाओ यार तुम